What would you say was your inspiration in terms of how you were able to transition emotionally from growing up doing tile to when you were 12 years old to saying, hey, you know what? We're going to do something different. We're going to do solid state shower systems.
I was the world's biggest skeptic. I was a very slow adopter. I had to see the technology in use and really take a hard look at it to say, oh my gosh, I think maybe I've been wrong, and I learned. So one of the things that I try to do is stay up to date on what's available in the marketplace, what is the newest technology that we can use today to make our processes better. We talked about AI earlier. I'm not a technology guy, but I see the need for using up-to-date information to make good decisions, both for my company and for my customers. I want to make sure that we bring the best products that we can. I'm a big believer in top quality everything. If we're not going to use top quality products, I don't want to be involved in the project. When we're doing lifetime warranties, I have to use industry best products and industry best standards and practices. When you hold multiple licenses in multiple states, you can't cut corners. My crews are industry trained, they're factory trained, they're certified to do industry best installations. There are processes that you use that really make a difference with the way a shower is installed. There are right ways to do things and there are wrong ways to do things. And we can't stand for second-rate work. I have no latitude for sub-quality work. And we want to make sure that we're giving the customer the best experience, the best products. We want to make sure that we can stand behind it.
Tell me about your process for managing expectations. I'm thinking about some of the big misconceptions that homeowners have before starting a remodel. So you have 30 years of experience. Maybe the homeowner has zero experience in terms of doing a renovation.